Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use GoDaddy Logo Maker. We'll start with our logo. To customize your logo, find your website's name at the top of your website. My website's name is Photos by Caleb. With my mouse hovering over it and the blue border present, I'll click into my website's name. Now, back on the right-hand side, we can see some information has populated here. I can choose to change my website's name simply by altering the text. Additionally, under Other Options, I can choose to upload or create a logo. For this tutorial, I'll be going with this option. Once I'm clicked in, I can choose to upload an existing logo from my device, or I can choose to create a free logo. Let's go with this option. To do this, I'll click on Create. To create our logo, GoDaddy needs a little bit of information. They'll start by collecting the name of your logo, the category of your business, and then you can describe your business in a few words. Here I chose to write professional photographer specializing in studio and landscape photography and physical prints. This gives the GoDaddy logo builder a little bit more information about my business and what they should include in the logo. I'll go to the bottom right-hand side and click on Continue. Now, we can choose up to 3 words that best describe the personality of our business. I'll go with adventurous, minimal, and friendly. And once I'm done, I'll click on Generate on the bottom right-hand side. GoDaddy will now build your logo, and as you can see, my logo is now available. On the right-hand side, I can choose to change the color scheme of my logo. And on the left-hand side, you can see a few different options and variations for your logo. I like this option with the camera icon the most. So to change it, I'll simply click on the one I like the most. I'm happy with my logo, so I'll navigate to the top right-hand side to see a couple of options. First, I can choose to export my logo and save it to my device. Next, I can choose to continue and move on to the next step. Let's click on this. With my logo selected here, I can navigate to the bottom right-hand side and click on Insert. Here at the top of my website, my logo has now been added. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.